Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, children. How are you? I hope you all are safe and fine. Yes, children. Children, last previous class you learned addition. Today I will teach you subtraction. Okay? See, subtraction is a mathematical operation to find the difference between two numbers. Yes or no, children? See, for example, 9 minus 4. Okay, this is minuend, this is subtrahend. Result is, see, 9 minus 4, result 5. This is called difference. What I told you? Subtraction is a mathematical operation to find the difference between two numbers. Yes or no? These two numbers, in these two numbers difference is 5. Okay? This is subtraction. What is mean by mini and? I will write on the board. Okay? You should write in the classwork, children. Okay? Minuend, the number from which we subtract is called minuend. Okay. Next, subtrahend. The number that is subtracted is called the subtrahend. Next, third one, difference. The result obtained after subtraction is called difference. Alright, children. Write it in the classwork. subtraction has some properties, children, that apply everywhere. Okay, see, first property, if 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Example, 52 minus 0, 52. 100 minus 0, 100. Okay, any number, if you minus 0, see, the 0 is subtracted from the number. The difference is the number itself. Understood? Next property, what is that? If 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number immediately before the number, given number. Understood? See, this is 45 minus 1, before number 44. Understood? See, if 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference, the number immediately before the given number. See, this is given number. If you subtract 1, we will get before number. Understood? See here, for example, like this. See, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Yes, which one is given number? 45 here. Before which number? 44. Understood? Next, when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. See, 26 minus 26, 0. 50 minus 50, 0. 60 minus 60, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. Any number. Okay. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. If the order of numbers is changed, the difference will be also changed. See here, 47 minus 14, 23. Here, if you change 14 minus 37, you can do? No, that is wrong. Understood, children? This is higher classes. You will learn about this higher class. Understood? Minus 23 will come. Understood? You should learn this is in higher class, not now. Okay, you should write like this. First, always remember, difference always smaller than minimum. Understood, children? See? Children, I will give you some sums for you people. You should do. Okay? Subtract. See here, what we have to do? We should split this. After that, you should do the subtraction. Okay. What is this number? 369. 300 plus 60 plus 9. Yes, this one. Minus, what is this? 234. Yes. See, first hundreds, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. You know, no, children? Yes or no? You know. First hundreds place. What is that? 300 minus 200. 100. Yes. Next, tens place. 60 minus 30. 60 minus 30. 30. Yes. Again, ones place. 9 minus 4. 5. Yes. See what we did here. We did here expanded form. After that we did minus from hundreds place first. After that tens place. After that ones place. S. Now what is that answer? 1 place 5. S. 135 is the answer. Is it right or wrong? Check once. 1's place, 10's place, 100's place. 1's, 10's, 100's. S minus 369 minus 234. S. 9 minus 4. 9 after up, 4 after up to 9 you should count. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 5. Here. 6 minus 3. 3 after up to 6 you should count. 3 after 4, 5, 6. How many fingers? 3. Here. 2 after up to 3 you should count. 2 after 3. Only 1. S. What we did here? We did 1's place first minus, after that second 10's place, after that 100's place. Understood? Here we did split the numbers, after that we did the minus. Okay? Understood, children? Right? Next sum you can do it now. Okay, I will write this. Again next sum we will do. This one over. S. Now B. What is that question? 26 minus 343. Okay. What you have to do? You should write 1's place, 10's place, 100's place. Yes. Now first of all, 1's place what you have to do? You should do minus. S. 6 minus 3. 3 after up to 6 you should count. S. 3 after 6 minus 3. 3 after up to 6 you should count. 3 after 4, 5, 6. How many fingers came? 1, 2, 3. The 3 you should write in the 1's place. Next, 10's place you should minus. S. Here 2 is there, here 4 is there. In that 2, 4 will go? No. What you have to do? You should take borrow from here. Here 12, here 6. S. Here 12. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4. 4 after up to 12 you should count. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers? 8. 8. In 10's place, 8. Here 6. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3, 3. What is that answer? 383 is the answer. 100 place. Okay, this is 1's place. This is 10's. This is 100's. As what we did here? We did here subtraction. As did you understand, children, what we did? This is easy to do. Okay. C1. See again. ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. First ones place you should do. 6 minus 3. 3 s. Ones place 3. Now tens place. 5 minus 6. In the 5, 6 will go? No. You should take borrow from here. Here 15, here 8. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6. 9. Understood? 6 after up to 15 you should count. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers came? 9. That 9 you should write in the tens place. Now hundreds place. Which number is here in hundreds place? 8 minus 3. 3 after up to 8 you should count. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers? 5. That 5 you should write in the hundreds place. What is that answer? 593 is the answer. Understood, children? These are explaining. I did explain. Now you people should write in the classwork. See, children, your ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Yes, ones place you should minus. 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Ones place 0. Now tens place. 4 minus 3. 1. That one you should write here. Here hundreds place. Here 3, here 1. 3 minus 1. 2. 210 is the answer. Understood? Next here. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. Should minus this. 3 minus 3, 0. Again. In the tens place. 6 minus 6, 0. Here hundreds place. 5 minus 4, 1. Understood? Here. Next, ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones place you should minus. S, 4 minus 3, 1. Tens place. 8 minus 6, 2. Now hundreds place. 7 minus 3, 4. 421 is the answer. Write it. Children, take out your classwork and write this. Subtract. Do this sums, children. Only 4. Do this also.